A very good morning, dear children. Welcome to English literature class. So, after this long holiday, we are here again. So, from today, we are going to start the new chapter of English literature. Okay? So, dear children, I hope you all are doing good. So, take your book to page number page number 25. Okay, so today we are going to start the new chapter, and that is chapter 4. Okay, so today we will do the reading part. Okay, so let's read, and you all are going to read after me. Okay, let's start. A rainy day. A rainy day यानी बरसाती दिन के बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड. A rainy day. Amol is coming back from school. He is walking fast. There are black clouds in the sky. He is feeling scared. What if it rains? He does not have a raincoat. He does not want to get wet. He does not want his books to get wet. Suddenly, it begins to rain. Big raindrops fall on Amol. They fall on the road. They fall on the houses. Please take your book to page number 26. Here we come. Amol stands under a tree. The tree does not let Amol get wet. A little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The cute pup stops near Amol. It rains and rains. The tree gets wet. Amol gets wet. The little pup gets wet too. Suddenly, it stops raining. Amol runs home. He wants to reach home soon. The pup runs after him. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day. So, dear children, please go through this reading. Okay. So, in the next class, I'll be explaining it to you. Okay. So, thank you. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Do reading practice this chapter 4. Okay.